Alexa.
My name is Jane.
My name is Allison. My name is Denisha.
And my name is Miranda.
My name is Ashley, and today we're at baking.
Bake different things in the oven, and then if we want, we could take it home or we could eat it here.
So today we made a heart shape with like cherries, apples. We had to get like a heart, then we had to lay it down. Then we put like your topping on it, and then you put the other half of the heart on it, and then you would get a fork, and then like you go on the side of it, and then you just like crimp it down. Then we put it in the oven, sugar and frosting, and we put sprinkles on it.
Hello, we're the helpers. And our kids here is very good. It's very fun to work with the kids. They're very nice and kind and respectful.
So are you expert bakers? That's why you're the helpers?
Yup.
Yes.
I bake cupcakes and cake samples. Yeah. The brownies were so delicious.
I agree.
The monkey bread and the cupcake.
Monkey bread.
Cupcakes.
The monkey bread, the cupcake, and the brownie.
Same thing.
Honestly, I love everything. Monkey bread is basically where you get dough. You put sugar or cinnamon. You cook it so that it turns into this like good bread with cinnamon in it. My favorite thing to bake was the Valentine's Day brownies.
Probably mini hot dogs.
The English muffin.
Oh, yeah, let's talk about it.
It was like very cheesy. The cake, the little cake that we made was, and we can decorate it with whatever we want.
And monkey bread and cupcakes.
My favorite was banana cream pie. Pudding was good.